So I went to Home Depot and I got this T-nut, and I don't think it's going to be appropriate. First of all, it's not stainless steel, so that's a problem. Second of all, I think it's a bit too deep for the board, and this is the smallest they come. So, and also I'm not crazy about these spikes here. So I'm going to discard those, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these washers and I'm going to epoxy weld. So I've got some product here called JB Weld. It's supposed to be good for metal. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to fasten these nuts on the top of the washers so that when I flush mount the washer on the bottom, the nut will stick up, and then it would allow me to screw my binding into. And so what's going to happen now is I need to trim down this blank by 1/4 inch. And the reason Alright, so that officially doesn't work. Don't do that. That's very hard to take the board through on a constant angle. So we're going to cut out a new core, or a new blank, and see how we go. Okay, so we've got the nice form. This is the nice blank here. So this is the full-size blank, and it is 1/4 inch narrow on each side, and well, all the way around. And so what we're going to do is we're going to take a router bit with a bearing on the top there, and we'll drill a hole. We're going to do a test first. So we'll drill a hole, and then we'll go about routering around the edge, and the bearing will ride around the pattern or form, the blank. And what we should get out of our cedar core is basically a groove, a void between the two pieces of cedar. So we're going to remove the cedar, and that's where we're going to pour the urethane rail. So we're going to try this out with a test piece first. See what happens. It's going to be it's a starter hole for the router there. Okay.
marking the clipboard. So I'm going to offset here. Between this, has been this marker and angle. One, two. This is all. They might not work. This here. Ever. Ready. Wait. It's